In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ElevenLabs Speech to Speech, also known as Voice Changer, step by step. This is a really useful feature if you want to transform your voice recording into a different voice, create more polished audio, or experiment with realistic AI voice conversion without having to start from scratch. Whether you're making content for YouTube, podcasts, voiceovers, or just testing out the tool, this walkthrough will help you get it done quickly and easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open ElevenLabs and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Speech to Speech. In some versions of the interface, this may appear as Voice Changer, but it will lead you to the same type of feature. This is the section where you can take an existing audio recording and convert it into a different voice style or character. After that, you'll need to add your source audio. You can either upload an audio file from your device or record your voice directly using your microphone. If you already have a recording, uploading it is usually the fastest option. If you want to create something on the spot, recording with your mic is a great choice. Once your audio is loaded, the next step is choosing the voice you want to convert your speech into. ElevenLabs gives you different voice options, so take a moment to browse through the available voices and pick the one that best fits your project. If you're trying to match a specific tone, style, or personality, select the voice that sounds closest to what you want. After selecting your voice, you may notice some adjustable settings such as stability, similarity, or style. These controls can help refine the final output depending on the voice you chose. Stability can affect how consistent or expressive the voice sounds. Similarity can help the result stay closer to the selected voice identity. Style can influence the overall delivery and emotional feel. If you're not sure what values to use, start with the default settings and then make small adjustments until the audio sounds right to you. This is a good way to avoid overprocessing the voice and to keep the result sounding natural. Once everything is set, click Generate to begin creating the converted audio. ElevenLabs will process your file and turn your original speech into the selected voice. Depending on the length of your audio and the settings you chose, this may take a few moments. When the generation is finished, preview the result carefully. Listen for clarity, pacing, tone, and whether the voice matches what you are aiming for. If it sounds good, go ahead and click Download to save the converted audio to your device. If it's not quite right, you can go back, adjust the voice settings, or try a different voice and generate it again. That's really the full process. Click Speech to Speech or Voice Changer, upload or record your audio, choose your target voice, adjust the voice settings if needed, then generate, preview, and download your final file. It's a simple workflow, but it can completely change the way you create voice content. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.